Hello.
Hey, precious. I go away for the weekend, and this is what I come back to? Way to go! They're cute!
Celebrities.
You want to say hi to all your new followers? Wave. Say hi. Wave.
Want to go for red?
No. So, maybe you're drunk.
What are you doing, you silly girl? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Come on. You want to go outside?
Oh, I'm giving kids this. We're good. I'm just kind of getting vibes.
What's your favorite?
I'm different, yeah, I'm different. I'm different, yeah, I'm different.
I'm gonna trick him. Hey! Poop!
Hey, how you doing, little mama? Let me whisper in your ear.
Baby, who was that girl you was talking to on the phone last night?
Oh, that was Jake from State Farm. Girl, chill.
Get off me, you liar!
High five. High five. Oh, almost.
Ella!
Ella. You think so? What?
They kill you.
You alright, Binks? You have a hard day at work? I know it.
Run! It's a stampede!